Hey, we're back, baby. The car is back from paint. The booty looking as glorious as ever. It's nice having a car back in the freaking garage. While I was gone, I definitely had some work to do on the Lexus. Did some lower control arm bushings, and that was a fun time and all, but missed having the whole project back in here. So, I highly doubt that the camera will even pick this up, but unfortunately the paint wasn't perfect. It's definitely a bit lighter in the back than it is the front, but overall, I don't know. It's more noticeable in the sun. I'm sitting on it for a few days just to see if it bothers me or not. Basically, I had this painted by Isaac Sanchez out in, I believe, Gibsonton or Riverview area here, just outside of Tampa. But overall, the paintwork is absolutely phenomenal. Hands down, like, no regrets there. It looks great. Top to bottom, no overspray, no bullshit. Good shit. Just hoping this color comes out or it doesn't bother me too much. We'll see. But anyways, today's video, I have been waiting for the car to come back for paint to replace these old busted taillights. Well, let's go ahead and get started on this now. I could sit here and tell the whole story, but I could do that while I'm taking this apart. So let's get her going. Alright, so I wanted to focus on this one taillight here, just so you can kind of see. When I picked up this car, the taillights were just busted. They're old. They had water in them. You can still see the water line in the bottom here. Just not great. So, coming from Miatas and whatnot, I figured I would just go ahead and buy one used. No big deal, right? Well, I found a couple people who hit me up saying they had some used for sale. I'm like, all right, cool. Cost about $250 shipped. Not bad. All right. So I went and did it. And, they arrived. And actually, I had gone and gotten the trunk as well as the bumper covers here. And after seeing Garrett's basically the original owner of the car, we got these panels from Garrett Schmuck. He had brand new OEM factory taillights, and holy cow, after seeing that, I'm like, damn, like, these are so crispy, so fresh. So, like, literally on my way home that day, I went ahead and ordered brand new ones, even with the used ones on the way. But, so eventually the used taillights actually did come in before the new ones, and they were broken. So I should have taken a picture. I did take a picture. I'll post that up here and insert now. But yeah, basically the side of it was chipped, and he's like, "Oh, that could have arrived damaged through shipping." I'm like, "Yeah, it could have, but I could clearly see like water droplets inside the lens." So basically, I was shipped set of broken taillights. The seller was nice enough to take a return for them and all that, so I wasn't going to drag his name through the mud. He's honestly a reputable seller, apparently, in the Subaru community for, parting out cars and selling parts and all that. But I already had some brand new ones on the way after seeing Garrett's and really wanted them. So yeah, basically, man, like, just cracked all the shit on the sides. I'm so ready to show you all the new taillights going in. So give me 1 sec. I'll go ahead and grab those. All right, and I figured let's go ahead and just do a complete unboxing of these brand new, crispy, clean Subaru parts, shall we? All the Japanese marking on the boxes, definitely Japanese boxes, so that's cool. Straight JDM, baby. Oh, the invoice there. I've already opened up the other side and just seen how crispy these are, but oh, baby. Big old bag. You ready? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's gorgeous. So like another thing, this came with a brand new seal, brand new bulbs, brand new wiring, and the total price of this, $310 shipped. Yeah, I paid $250 for some busted old used ones. $310 shipped. These, of course, are 04 blob eye bulbs. I like the look over the bug eye, but damn, that's gorgeous. I'm so excited. Let's do this thing. All right, so this definitely isn't much of a tutorial video. Basically, changing out your taillights in this car is just ridiculously easy. There is 4 M8 bolts on the back that you'll take off and you're done. That's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and slip this sucker on in here and probably just drool a little bit over its just beauty. How does that fit in there? Yes. Not bad at all. Oh my gosh. Oh, my body's so ready. So the one downside about putting 04 blob eye lights in is that it doesn't quite sit flush on the bottom here. Basically, you could swap out to an 04 bumper completely. It just so happened this was a rare JDM bumper that had some actual like a rare 3-piece diffuser that like came with the car and looked super cool. So I've decided to go ahead and keep that. And I'll have to find some additional screws here. But check that out, man. We say we go ahead and light this up real quick just to make sure everything's working. I see lights. Nice. Oh man, I'm so excited. Something about these new taillights, boy. Oh man. All right, onto the other side. Very unclipped. My little clip there. So a little bit on the inside as well. That's okay. Like I said, brand new freaking taillights. Like, for a 20-year-old car and company to go ahead and support these older vehicles, it's just awesome. I like this shit. And get the other new one in here. And like the freaking wires actually stay in. Oh, so awesome. Nice. And put your 4 bolts in. Again, I have to secure 2 new ones because I believe I lost about 4 of the screws, or they just didn't come with all 4. Doesn't need much. Alright. It's not bad. I'm going to go ahead and source 2 more screws out and finish this up. So, before we leave, there's one more thing I installed in the car I wanted to show y'all. Come with me. Well, for one, there is the first sticker added to the car. Finally, add some floor mats to it. Point these in here. Hell yeah. So I've added some new floor mats to the car. These are actually part of my Halloween collection. This is the Dark Skull graphic, and I've also got this Dead Samurai graphic. Hell yeah. Absolutely loving these so far. I'm currently making a few different products like slap stickers, windshield banners, and even door card graphics with this graphic. Definitely check it out. I'll put a link in bio. But let's close out this video and head on back to the full view. All right. So I would say shameless plug. However, this is the business. This is what I do. I make vehicle accessories, vinyl decals, graphics, everything like that. Yeah. My background's basically in graphic design, web design, all that fun stuff. And I've been running Spinnywhoosh now for about 10 years. Definitely excited for the new project and breaking into, let's say, the Subaru community. I would definitely love to do some more graphics for. I am located in Florida and hoping to make it out to Subi Fest up in Daytona this weekend, so weather permitting and all that fun stuff. But yeah, hope you stick around for the rest of this project. I definitely have a couple more videos immediately in mind. I'm going to install a new vinyl windshield banner on the front, as well as other typical Subaru shit. I want to say is I got some subs going in the back. Let's face it, this is my high school dream car. I've always wanted big old subs in the back. But other than that, absolutely love how the taillights came out. Happy to have the car back, out driving it and everything. Yeah. So if y'all got suggestions for videos coming up, let me know. I definitely want to do some more like out driving videos because, well, let's face it, while in the garage here is fun, but man, this thing sounds amazing. And I definitely want to show that great Subi sound here on the channel. But yeah, until next time, my name's Scott. I run Spinnywhoosh. See you later.